Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Today we are going to do a colander pour. Purchased this colander at Dollar Tree, and I am reusing this canvas that I really liked when it was wet, but when it dried, the white split apart, and I'm not so crazy about it now, so we're just going to reuse it. It's for a good cause, our entertainment. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I will need approximately 9 ounces of paint to do this. So I have mixed up these colors. This is my one Arteza paint. This is basically just a tube of pink. Everything is mixed about 1 or 1.5 parts Floetrol. I have my Floetrol bottle here. To 1 part of paint. And then at the very end, I tossed in a tiny squirt of polyacrylic, and this adds a little gloss to it. That's why I do that. Alright, so I have my Arteza pink, I have my Blickrylic violet, I have, and the rest of these are Artist Loft Floetrol. These are not ready mix pouring paints, these are acrylic paints. They are beautiful for pouring. They mix so smoothly with the Floetrol. They just become luscious, fluffy paint almost. So I have used Artist Loft Floetrol for green and the blue and the yellow and the white. And then, like I said, I have a Blickrylic violet and an Arteza pink. So those are the colors we're doing today. So let's get pouring. Going for spring happy colors here. Light and cheery. We will get some green, obviously, from the blue and the yellow, but we'll get some green from the green. Okay, there is our very full 9-ounce cup of layered paint. Now we will do a tree ring, basically. Wait, I have to turn my other camera on. Alright, now we're going to do basically a tree ring within the colander and see what kind of pattern we get. Okay. Put that there and let it keep running out. Alrighty, look at that. Pretty. Let's use some of our paint here. Hope things flow. This is something I don't do enough. All right. Let's see where that gets us. Actually, you know what? Use my glue stick here. Time for some tilting. All right, here we go. Whoops. She says she keeps knocking things over. A few bubbles, and just take them out. Okay, here we go. What I'd really like to do is hang on to that beautiful sort of rose pattern in the middle. We'll see if I'm lucky. Boy, that Artist Loft Flow Blue is really stunning, isn't it? All right. I actually really like this. We'll see how much I like it after it dries, but right now I think it's beautiful. Look at that. All my corners look good. Sides look good. We will be back in a couple of minutes to see if anything further develops. Stay tuned. Back in a few minutes. We'll check on it. Okay, we're back. Looks like some cells are developing, but the painting hasn't moved too much. I must say it is gorgeous. It is really, oh god, this blue. Holy smoke. All right, I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. And then I'll bring you back tomorrow. Whoops. And we'll see what the dry version looks like. Okay, lower right-hand corner. All the way up the right-hand side to the upper right corner. And across the top. Now I wish I'd added some gold. I think it would be even prettier. There's upper left. And on the left-hand side. Lower left. Across the bottom. Which I really like, all those little cells and rainbows. And then the full-on picture. Beautiful. Hey everyone, Luxinda Swirl. I'm back the next morning, and I wasn't going to show this at all, but I wanted to provide a cautionary tale. Here are two things you don't want to do the morning after you've done a pour and it hasn't quite dried yet. First of all, do not try and pick something out of it, like that, or up here, like that. And then while you're trying to move it to a drying rack, do not stick your fingers in the edge, because, well, there you go. That's what happens. So I'm just going to have to do another one. On the plus side, I just love how this turned out. No paint has started curdling or separating. Everything still looks beautifully defined. I think I'm happy with my paint mixes. So this is great. I'll see you in the next video.